Hi there, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and we're coming to you today from the inside of our new digs. This is going to be our new sewing machine shop. As you can see, it's still set up as the dental clinic that it used to be. This is a 1946 Diamond T bus, and I'll post a photo somewhere so you can see what it looks like on the outside. It's pretty cool. And tonight we're going to look at a beautiful Italian sewing machine. This is a Necchi Supernova, and I'm kind of standing in the light, but as I said, we're still getting moved in, and things are not set up as well as they could be. But the light in this bus is spectacular with all the windows. There's a big skylight over the dental chair. Once the dental chair comes out, then we'll be able to build our workbenches in here. Things will be more convenient. This is a mid-century steel drive, zigzag, straight stitch sewing machine, and when you locate them on the internet, wherever you find them, when you find the drop-in pattern cams, you'll be able to make all sorts of interesting and useful decorative stitches. It'll take 2 needles, of course. You'll see there's 2 thread spools here. And what else other than that? Nice colors. Beautiful ivory and kind of a salmon pink. So we're going to take this for a test drive, and one more thing I should show you because it's really cool. This needle plate here, can you see it? Let's see. Looks like there'll be photos anyway. This needle plate turns, and it's got 3 different needle plates built into it. This one is a zigzag needle plate. This one here is a straight stitch needle plate, and this one is wide open for something or other. I'm not sure exactly what, but you'll figure that out when you read the manual, which of course is included on PDF. We're going to start here with some shirting, and start with a straight stitch. Reverse, forward again, and let's see, let's do a zigzag. Beautiful sound. Very, if it were a musical group, I would say it was tight. It's got 3 needle positions, left, center, and right. This knob here is for your, it's actually a dial. You can see the little window there with the numbers in it. I believe it's for the length of your decorative stitches once you get your pattern cams in. This is your stitch width, how far it's going to zig and zag. This is your stitch length, and this is reverse. Here's your tension. And here's a built-in needle threader. It may work or it may not. I'm not even going to mess with it. I've never seen where they're all that handy. Pressure foot adjustment, and it looks like it needs a light bulb. I'll take care of that. It's got 2 motor speeds. And for your more exacting work. On the movie setting, you may not be able to see that stitch, but it's a nice, neat, well-balanced stitch. And look at this. You can probably see, but there's lots and lots and lots of room under that presser foot. About as much as I've seen on any machine. And a generous harp area here for your bigger and bulkier projects. This is some denim from a pair of Carhartt logger jeans, pretty heavy duty. That's 2 layers. We're going to double it again to make 4 layers, and we're going to double that again. So we're going to sew 8 layers of heavy denim. And watch this. This impressed me. 8 layers of heavy denim just slides right under the presser foot. Add a little more stitch length. See that? Not a lick of trouble sewing 8 layers of heavy denim. Eight layers. And we're going to sew some leather. I'm not going to change to a leather needle. You don't want to use a leather needle if you sew leather, because it makes a stronger stitch. The leather will have less tendency to tear with the hole that a leather needle cuts. That's 2 layers of leather. Not too tough. Let's try 4 layers. Again, all this room under the presser foot. There's 4 layers, and again, without even a leather needle. So, this is a strong and very cool machine. I mean, aside from being really, really pretty, it's just really awesome. So there you have it. This is a Necchi Supernova Ultra, and it's just been restored. Get out of the light again so you can see that. It's a pretty machine, and you can find this machine if you've come here from somewhere else on our website. And our website is stagecoachroadsewing.com. We're out here on Stagecoach Road out in the Coast Range of Oregon, hence Stagecoach Road Sewing. And we've got all sorts of really cool machines. Let's see. Let's show you a couple. The kind of work we do. Here's a knock out of the way. Turning. This is a Janome machine that we've also just restored. Again, oh wait, I've got a flashlight. Here we go. See? Really pretty. And let's see other things. We have all sorts of sewing machines that we restore. But here's the one we're talking about right now. So anyway, come on out to stagecoachroadsewing.com and take a look at all the cool machines we got there. We got maybe 20 restored sewing machines ready for purchase at this time, and probably 60 there on the web page that you can look at. And we look forward to getting you the best machine that you've ever had. So come on out, stagecoachroadsewing.com, and we will see you there. We'll see you there.